In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the low beam bulb on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on the back side of the headlight. Let's get started. We're going to reach down through the engine bay to the back of our headlight. We're going to remove this cover. You're going to twist it until it clicks. You're going to twist it in the counterclockwise direction, and then pull it straight out. Remove the bulb from the socket, pull it straight out. Install the bulb into the socket. Be sure that this square alignment tab is at the top. Push it straight in. Be sure it's fully seated. Install the bulb into place. Keep twisting it around until it drops fully in, and then twist it into place. Be sure that it locks into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.